Let's go over updating your View Studio system. When starting the media server, it automatically checks for updates. If an update is available, a notification will appear in the bottom right corner. Open the operator menu by pressing F12 on your keyboard and click the Update Check button to start the update process if available. If connected to View Studio from another device, the update notification will also appear there. Choose Update Later to delay the update, or click Update Now to begin downloading the latest version. Once the download completes, the installer will open, allowing you to proceed with the update. Thanks for watching. For more tutorial videos like this one, visit our YouTube channel. For access to our knowledge base or technical support, visit our support site at view.network/support. To contact support directly, email us at support@viewstudio.com or call us at 888-575-1510.